Insurance Guide, How to Become Profitable, Complete Report. Introduction. Insurance is one of the most powerful financial tools in the modern world. It protects individuals and businesses from unexpected losses while also creating opportunities for profit. Many people think insurance is only about safety, but with the right strategy, it can also become a strong source of income. This report explains how to become profitable through insurance. Whether as an individual, investor, or insurance agent. 1. Understanding insurance basics. Before making profit, you must understand how insurance works. Insurance is a contract where a person pays a premium to a company, and in return, the company provides financial protection against risks such as accidents, health issues, or property damage. There are different types of insurance: life insurance, health insurance, car insurance, property insurance, business insurance. Each type has its own benefits and profit opportunities. 2. How insurance companies make profit. To understand how you can profit, first understand how insurance companies earn. Premium collection. Companies collect premiums from many customers. Risk management. Not all customers claim money at the same time. Investment. Companies invest collected premiums in stocks, bonds, and businesses. This system allows them to generate profit even after paying claims. 3. Ways to become profitable through insurance. A. Becoming an insurance agent. One of the easiest ways to earn from insurance is by becoming an agent. You sell insurance policies to clients. You earn commission on every sale. You may get renewal commission every year. Tips for success. Build trust with customers. Explain policies clearly. Focus on long-term relationships. B. Investing in insurance plans. Some insurance plans also act as investments, such as endowment plans, whole life plans, unit-linked insurance plans, ULIPs. These plans provide both protection and returns. Profit strategy. Choose long-term policies. Start.